we will discuss about goods. What we mean by goods? It is an usual words which is used in the business as well as while preparing the books of account. First of all, the goods is not a generalized view. That means what? On a particular items, we cannot say that these are the goods only. The definition of the goods depends upon the uses of that particular items. If we look at the definition, the goods means all those items which are purchased in the business in order to sell it to the customer. That means what? That item may be any type of item. That items may be stationery item, garments, wearing items, household items, any sort of items. But the motive of purchasing such items in the business should be or must be in order to sell it to the customers. If that items are purchased in order to use in the business, then these are not considered as a goods. What happened in a business, specifically for the trading concern, they deals with trading. Trading means they are purchasing on the one hand, on the other hand they are selling goods. They are purchasing goods from the factory, from the manufacturing or from the other distributor or wholesaler, and they are selling it to the customers directly or to the other parties. So goods represents all those items which are purchased in order to make it resell to the customers. The purpose must be sell to customers. If it is not selling to the customers, then we don't call it as a goods. So first of all, we need to remember that the motive is to sell it to the customers. The motive behind purchase of such items should be sell to the customers. Second, it should be taken place as a business activities. It should be included in business activities, otherwise we won't call it as a goods. Third, not to retain and use in the business. Be sure of that all those items which we are purchasing, we individually not supposed to use them. We are not subject to retain them in the business. The business is not going to use these items in the future course of time. If so, then they will not call as a goods. So, goods represent all those items which are purchased in order to sell it to the customers. I am considering some difficult examples. For example, say as I have told you that my hand watch, my chart and other items, wearing items, household items is considered as a goods usually, right? I am just taking the example of a car. Say a car is being purchased by the business organization. What is the purpose of the car? To use in the business or to sell to the customers. If that car is purchased in order to use in the business, then that car will not call as a goods. It will considered as an asset. Now we are coming to the car wholesaler, automobile dealer. They used to purchase 100 of cars, 100, 200, 300 of cars, but they are not supposed to use them. Why they are purchasing this car? Only because of to sell it to the customers. So for an automobile dealer, the car is considered as a goods. But for the other business organization which are purchasing car not to resell, it is not considered as a goods. Same thing, refrigerator, ACs, normally these are considered as an asset. But if we look at a electronic shop where ACs 20, 30, 40 ACs are purchasing in order to sell, for them that AC, that refrigerator are considered as a goods. Because why? Because they are purchasing in bulk in order to sell it to the customer. If say the 20 AC is being purchased by electronic shop, out of that 2 AC is being used in the shop. So that 2 ACs which are used in the shop will considered as an asset. Rest 18 ACs which is supposed to sell to the customers is considered as a goods. So this is the conceptual idea or concept behind the goods.